first step in troubleshooting any small engine that's not running should always be installing one of these very inexpensive spark testers. This thing just costs a few bucks, takes a few seconds to install it, usually without any tools, and more importantly, with only 2 or 3 pulls of those horrible pull cords, I can 100% verify if I'm sending energy to my spark plug. Okay. My friend brought over a wood chipper yesterday that takes both hands and everything I got to pull that cord on. It's nice to only have to do it 2 or 3 times to verify my magneto was not working. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick clip today on how the spark looks inside this sight glass on that wood chipper after I got it running. I'm going to show you with me just pulling the cord, not with it running, but show you what you should be looking at and looking for. If you have that spark in the sight glass, the only other part of your ignition that can be wrong is the spark plug itself. More than likely, if you have that good spark in here, you're going to be looking at fuel or compression. If you do not have this spark, I'm going to have a video on how to further test your magneto and how to properly set it up. This one had a manufacturing assembly problem. The air gap was not set correctly on the wood chipper. I reset the air gap and got my perfect spark. This should always be your first test. If it is working, it really eliminates that question mark from your brain. Does my ignition system okay? And you can move on confidently to fuel and compression. If this is not working, there's no point in doing anything else to that machine before you figure out why you don't have spark. All right? You can see that machine chips up wood like a madman over there, working absolutely perfectly. So use this tool to your advantage. It's real simple, quick and easy. And like I said, I'm going to show you the clip of what it should look like. It's kind of a dim light. You need to do this in the shade somewhere so you can see it. All right, but you should see what you seeing in the clip coming up. And thanks everybody for watching. All right, I got you on max zoom just to show you how dim this actual light is when it is working correctly. Okay, I'm gonna try to yank on this beast for 2 or 3 times to let you see what it looks like. I'm not gonna do it too much, but here we go. See that orange light going off in there. We put this tester on like I did on this machine. Absolutely nothing came out of this. There's no point doing anything else until I fix that problem. If I have no spark, I don't care what's happening with my fuel or compression, to be honest with you. The machine's not going to run. So always my first step, check for spark, then move on to the fuel system. Thanks everybody for watching.